ATC 70 hybrid. So it's got a lifan 125 in it. Got BW 80 front suspension. Kind of a fucking frankentrike, to tell you the truth. Alright, that's an 82 CR80 gas tank. Plastic. Still needs to be buffed out and everything, but we'll get there. Got bars off of my fucking 350X rental. Custom seat cover, HC camo, eBay. They make custom seat covers, whatever the fuck you want. So I may have that one made. Match that 350X cover. BW80 front end. CRF 50 pipe. I just cut it, fucking welded it to fit this. It's got 8-inch 3-lug wheels from who the fuck knows what. 16 by 8 8-inch tires. So it's Boss Racing whole shot style, I guess. Seem okay. Little fucking narrow, but they'll work for now. These wheels are temporary too. It's just fucking, they're way too wide. I just painted up the fucking axle sleeves and the covers and shit. There's no brakes on it right now. It's got 250R shifter. These pegs are from my 350X. I just cut the fucking mounts off, welded them to a bar. It seems to work. Just universal clutch, universal brake lever, TRX 70 thumb, kill switch off KTM 530. Definitely pieced together, but she fucking runs, man. I just took her for a little rip. Not bad. Definitely a lot more piecing together to do, but I think it'll be a fun little fucking rig. At least it's together and I actually got to fucking ride it for once. Fucking sweet. So I'll probably put that to the side and try to get the old fucking CT90 going again. The old Honda Trail. And I got this from my grandfather. It's a fucking 70 something, I believe. Let's see what it says here. Oh boy. I honestly cannot fucking see that. But she's an old Yamaha Chappie. 75 Yamaha Chappie, 2-stroke. Little scoot. Sweet little fucking bike. Other toys. Gotta have the toys. 250Rs. Chappie. 250R. 310. Bunch of shit going down in this fucking place. Way too much. Alright guys. I wanted to show you that fucking 70s up and ripping. Stay tuned. Try to get it actually looking good, running good, fucking driving good. Alright guys.